Toyota Surf, Land Cruiser, Prado CT12B. Turbocharger repair, step-by-step guide. A sleek Toyota Surf and Land Cruiser Prado driving through rugged terrain, followed by a close-up of the CT12B turbocharger on a workbench. Toyota Surf, Land Cruiser, Prado CT12B. Turbocharger repair, step-by-step guide. Welcome to the ultimate guide to repairing the CT12B turbocharger, a key component powering the legendary Toyota Surf and Land Cruiser Prado. Whether you're tackling steep trails or cruising the highways, this turbocharger ensures peak performance when it's working properly. CT12B turbocharger repair, Toyota Surf and Prado. Visuals: smoke coming from an exhaust, a vehicle struggling to accelerate, and a mechanic inspecting a turbo. Toyota Surf, Land Cruiser, Prado CT12B, turbocharger repair, step-by-step guide. Is your Toyota Surf or Prado losing power, blowing excessive smoke, or making high-pitched whistling noises? These are common symptoms of a failing CT12B turbocharger. A mechanic pointing out oil leaks and worn-out components on the turbo. Toyota Surf, Land Cruiser, Prado CT12B. Turbocharger repair, step-by-step guide. Oil leaks, carbon deposits, or damaged turbine blades can cause your turbo to fail. But don't worry, we'll show you how to repair it step by step. The turbocharger being removed from the engine and placed on a clean workbench. Toyota Surf, Land Cruiser, Prado CT12B, turbocharger repair, step-by-step guide. The first step is removing the turbocharger from the engine. Make sure to disconnect.